Question 81. What strategies do you employ to ensure effective collaboration among team members with different working styles and backgrounds in a collective work environment? To foster collaboration among diverse team members, I prioritize creating an inclusive culture by implementing regular check-ins and feedback sessions. I encourage open dialogue where each member can express their ideas. Tools like collaborative platforms, e.g., Miro, Trello, help visualize tasks and progress. Additionally, I facilitate team-building activities that help bridge gaps between different working styles, fostering empathy and understanding. Understanding individual preferences allows me to tailor communication methods, ensuring everyone feels valued and engaged. This approach not only enhances collaboration, but also drives productivity and innovation. Question 82. How do you approach conflict resolution within a team, particularly when opinions diverge on project direction? When conflict arises, I first facilitate a safe space for open discussion, ensuring all voices are heard. I guide the team to focus on shared goals rather than individual positions. Techniques like active listening and reframing help clarify misunderstandings. I encourage team members to express their viewpoints while promoting a culture of respect. If necessary, I employ decision-making frameworks such as consensus building or majority voting to reach a resolution. Post-conflict, I facilitate reflections to identify lessons learned, which strengthens team dynamics and enhances future collaboration. Question 83. Can you describe a time when you used CCD tools to streamline a project? What specific tools did you utilize? In a recent project, I implemented a CCD pipeline using Jenkins for continuous integration and deployment. This allowed our development team to automate testing and deployment processes, significantly reducing manual errors and deployment times. We incorporated tools like Docker for containerization, ensuring consistent environments across stages. Git was used for version control, enabling seamless collaboration among team members. By integrating automated testing, we ensured that code quality remained high before deployment. This approach not only accelerated our delivery, but also fostered a culture of accountability and continuous improvement within the team. Question 84. What role does documentation play in your facilitation process, and how do you ensure it remains updated? Documentation is vital for maintaining clarity and continuity in collective work. I advocate for a living document approach, where documentation evolves alongside the project. Tools like Confluence or Notion are used to create collaborative spaces for team members to contribute and update information. I schedule regular documentation reviews during team meetings to ensure everyone participates in maintaining accuracy. Additionally, I encourage the use of templates for consistency and clarity, helping new team members onboard quickly. This practice not only aids in knowledge retention, but also enhances transparency and accountability within the group. Question 85. Describe your experience with cloud platforms and how you've utilized them to enhance team collaboration. I have extensive experience with cloud platforms like AWS and Azure, which I utilize to enhance collaboration by providing scalable resources and shared environments. For instance, I set up AWS workspaces to enable remote teams to access a unified development environment, ensuring consistency across various geographical locations. Additionally, I leverage cloud storage solutions, e.g., Google Drive, SharePoint, for document sharing and version control. This allows team members to collaborate on documents in real time, facilitating faster feedback cycles. The flexibility of cloud platforms also allows for adjusting resources based on project demands, enhancing overall productivity. Question 86. How do you assess the effectiveness of a collective work process, and what metrics do you track? I assess the effectiveness of collective work processes through a combination of qualitative and quantitative metrics. Key performance indicators, KPIs, I track include team velocity, cycle time, and sprint burndown rates. Regular retrospectives allow the team to reflect on their processes and suggest improvements. I also gather qualitative feedback through surveys to understand team morale and collaboration satisfaction. Monitoring communication frequency and engagement levels in collaborative tools can provide insights into team dynamics. By analyzing these metrics, I can identify bottlenecks, recognize high-performing aspects, and iterate on our processes to enhance overall effectiveness. Question 87. Explain how you would handle a situation where a team member consistently misses deadlines. Addressing missed deadlines requires a compassionate yet pragmatic approach. I would first have a one-on-one conversation with the team member to understand any underlying issues affecting their performance. This could include workload concerns, personal challenges, or unclear expectations. After identifying the root cause, I would collaboratively develop a plan to support them, which may involve reallocating tasks, providing additional resources, or offering mentorship. I would also emphasize the importance of accountability and set clear, achievable milestones moving forward. Regular follow-ups will ensure they stay on track while maintaining an open line of communication, fostering a supportive team environment. Question 88. What tools do you find most effective for managing distributed teams, and how do you ensure everyone is aligned? For managing distributed teams, I rely on tools like Slack for real-time communication, Asana for task management, and Zoom for face-to-face interactions. To ensure alignment, I establish clear objectives and key results, OKRs, at the outset of projects. Regular stand-up meetings and check-ins help maintain transparency and accountability. I also encourage the use of shared calendars to keep everyone informed about deadlines and meetings. Additionally, I create a centralized repository for project documentation, ensuring all team members have access to the same information. This multifaceted approach enhances collaboration and keeps everyone aligned towards common goals. Question 89. How do you tailor your facilitation style to accommodate both technical and non-technical team members? Adapting my facilitation style for diverse team members involves understanding their backgrounds and communication preferences. For technical members, I focus on using data-driven discussions, technical jargon, and collaborative problem-solving tools. For non-technical members, I simplify complex concepts using analogies and visual aids, ensuring they grasp the essential ideas without feeling overwhelmed. I also encourage interdisciplinary collaboration, where technical members explain aspects of their work to non-technical colleagues, fostering mutual understanding. This approach builds a cohesive team environment where everyone feels valued, ultimately driving better outcomes and innovation. Question 90. Describe your experience with Agile methodologies and how you implement them in collective work environments. My experience with Agile methodologies revolves around facilitating Scrum and Kanban frameworks. In collective work environments, I introduce iterative development cycles, allowing teams to adapt quickly to changing requirements. I conduct sprint planning meetings to prioritize tasks based on business value and team capacity. Daily stand-ups help maintain focus and transparency, while retrospectives encourage continuous improvement by reflecting on past sprints. I also utilize tools like Jira for tracking progress and visualizing workflows. By instilling Agile principles, teams become more responsive and collaborative, ultimately enhancing productivity and delivering higher quality outcomes. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.